de carinho.
Carinha?
E aí, gente, a gente tá aqui na Ponte da Balsa, em Americana, em cima do rio Piracicaba, mais uma vez com o Henrique Morris.
Falou, meu amigo, irmão Leonardo. Is one of the first, adventure guys here in Santa Bárbara do Oeste City. Me guys, as you saw in the video with the drone, the aerial shot, I hope you like all the shots, the details, the animals, the woodpecker, all the birds surround, guys, you can come here, it's very close to Americana City or Santa Barbara. Yeah. Crocodile, oh my God, we gotta be careful with that. Yeah. And take a pictures, and you could just realize that this is the true life, green area, natural. But keep in mind that you have to keep a safe the natural environment. All right, folks, nothing else to say. Let me know in the comment below if you know this place, if you've been here before. All right, folks, if you are from the area or out of the area of São Paulo and you know this place, just let me know in the comment below if you like the video as well. All right, guys, don't forget to subscribe one more time. Give me that thumb up if you like the video. And nothing else to say, right, Noah?
Tchau, tchau.
Tchau, tchau, gente.
Tchau, tchau. Vem aqui conhecer, viu? A vista é muito boa.